Cubs and Marlins are tied at 2 in extra innings for the second night in a row. The 0-2 count to Heyward, so they're going to try and set it up by busting him inside to set up the low and away. Then they come low and away. He spoils it, stays alive. The winds are blowing out to left. Be ready. Misses his spot lower than he wanted. Absolute bullet to left field. Walk off, calm, cool, casual. He's done it before. Pitchers like, I'm out of here. Let's go to the fans banging helmets in the crowd. Oh, yeah. Bang my helmet, too. Here we go. This kid celebrates in a fun way. Oh, yeah. Yes. Throws the helmet. Cavalier about the whole thing. Let's fucking go. We got Schwarber tossing seeds right away. Baez is in there. Alberto comes late. A lot of seed dumping here. A lot of stomping. Look at this shot. Absolute rocket to left. That was pretty nice. And then post-game interview, the Cubs come at you multiple times. So there's one bucket. He thinks it's over, but this happened to Bryant yesterday. They keep coming. Boom. Headphones right off. Enjoy doing the interview now. You're freezing cold and you got no headphones. Take that, you bum. Producer's like, all right, yeah, but we still need to do the interview, so put these back on. He says, okay, cool. They're back on. Cubs say, no, we're not done. We don't do just 2 Gatorade showers. We do multiple Gatorade showers. Boom. Congrats on hitting the walk-off home run.